welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your MacBook system configuration. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the laptop. So as you can see, I have already opened it. So what we need to do, simply we need to click here option. As you can see, has an option, this is the Apple icon, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the about this Mac, so we need to click on this Mac. And after clicking on that, so as you can see here, you can see all the details of your system. As you can see, this is the macOS Big Sur, this is the software, and after that MacBook Air, this is the 13-inch early 2015 model processor, and the RAM is also provided here, startup disk, and all the things are provided here. If you want to check about the displays, you can also do that, or if you want to check about the storage, you can also do that. As you can see, this is the storage, and if you want to check out the support details, you can also do that, like the macOS menu and all the things are provided here. In the services section, you will see all other options as well. So in this way, you can check the Mac configuration and the details of all your systems. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check the configuration of your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.